Welcome to episode 4, Owning Your Numbers, Building Your Freedom. Have you ever gotten paid and felt hopeful for a minute and then watched half of that money disappear before you even blink? Maybe an unplanned family request came through, maybe rent, school fees pushed in, or suddenly you remember that app subscription you forgot to cancel. Your saved some bucket drains. You wake up the next day wondering, where did it even go? That's real life for many of us. But here's the truth. You can break that loop. And the first step is embracing your numbers, truly, deeply owning them. In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 core financial numbers that will transform how you see money. Use them, live by them. And when you combine them with a tool like Simplifi, something magical happens. You feel in control, you stop reacting, you start building. This isn't hype, it's strategy, it's mindset, and it's real for you. The 5 numbers that change everything. Let's walk through these together. You can pause, grab a pen, or open your notes. These are not optional, they're foundational. Number 1, burn rate. What you actually spend each month, every naira. When I ask people, what you're spending, they guess a smooth round number. But when I push them to check their bank statements, suddenly the truth surfaces. Those numbers aren't the same. How'd you get the number? Sum up your last 3 months' expenses and divide it by 3. That's your average burn. You can pad it up with 10 to 15% for surprises. 2, your debt total. Everything you owe. Your loans, I borrowed from my friend, some outstanding fines, everything. Write it all down, add interest and payment obligations. Once you see the total, 2 things happen. You stop denying it and you begin to fight against it. Number 3, your savings rate. How much are you saving right now? Not I will soon, but actual money moved. If it's 0, don't feel bad. Start with 1,000 naira. Whether big or small, this becomes your you first habit. Number 4, money working rate. Now, those savings we were talking about, are they just sitting or are they earning? This is an investing conversation. And oftentimes, a lot of people find an excuse. Doesn't have to be stocks, doesn't have to be crypto. You don't have to spend a lot of time looking through all these charts. Even if it's a fixed income or a diversified fund, it counts. And usually it's the best one. Let your money grow while you sleep. Number 5, a crossover point. The day, now this is the day your investments can pay your living expenses without needing active income. It's a milestone that many never aim for, but it's possible for you. Once you know your burn rate and your invested capital, you can chart how long that takes. Nigeria reality. Why it's hard, but also opportunity. Let me call you out. A lot of global financial advice ignores what we deal with. In Nigeria, payments delay. 1 month a client pays, the next, nothing. Bills strike without warning. School fees, generator fuel, data, power bills, traffic tolls. You may even stash savings in, a savings app, only for life to pull it back because family demands or emergencies. Then we've got the multiple income streams. You don't rely on one salary. You're juggling gigs, you have contracts, side hustles. It's the reality. All of these make your financial system fragile. But get these numbers down and you build a backbone against chaos. Putting it into motion, real moves you can make. These are not abstract goals. These are things you can do this week. Track all your spending for 7 days. Every taxi, airtime, shawarma, recharge, note it. Bucket your next paycheck. Before you spend, allocate to bills, debts, goals, and play. Set a trigger for savings. Now, you got to automate this if you can. Challenge your free spend. If you feel scarcity, it's because your plan is loose. Then recalculate this monthly. Numbers change. Revisit your burn, revisit your debts. As you do, the fog clears. You begin to see where the leaks are. you start to get ahead. Let me tell you something. The reason most people don't win with money is not the resources that they have, it's the thinking. They believe scarcity. They think the money that they have is shameful. They don't see failures as lessons, they see them as proof. They wait for perfect timing all the time and forever delay. I want you to make a commitment. No more hiding from your numbers. No more pretending. You will stare at your truth. And from that place, you will build resilience. So here's what I want you to do right now. Stop this video. Go check your bank statements. Grab those numbers and write them down. Use Simplifi when it launches to map them out live. You're going to need to sign up. Link is here. Join Simplifi Africa.